Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your default Google account in just a few minutes. Whether you're juggling multiple accounts or just want to streamline your online life, this quick guide will make it super easy. First, open your favorite web browser and go to Google's homepage. In the top right corner, you'll see your profile icon. This could be your photo or just the first letter of your name. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with all the accounts you're currently signed into. Here's the key step. Sign out of all your accounts. I know it might feel a little extreme, but this step is crucial for resetting which account will be your default. Once you're signed out, it's time to sign back in carefully. The trick is the order in which you log in. Start with the account you want to make your default. Enter your email, follow any two-factor authentication steps if needed, then enter your password. This first account automatically becomes your default. After that, you can sign in to any additional accounts you want. Remember, the very first one you sign into is the one Google will prioritize. And that's it. By signing out, signing back in strategically, and confirming your credentials, you've successfully set your default Google account. It's a small trick that can make a huge difference in your workflow and save you a lot of time across Gmail, Drive, and other Google services. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to check out my other tech tips and tricks to make your online life easier.